Ciao guys! Building an outstanding marketing plan can be a difficult task, especially if you don't know how to approach it. So today I decided to provide you with the ultimate 10-step process to build a rock-solid marketing plan. Welcome back to Live Volume 2.0. I am Sam, a seasoned marketeer with 17 years of experience, and today we are diving deep into the world of marketing planning. This step-by-step guide will equip you with the tools you need to create a killer marketing plan for 2024. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you are ready to take the marketing strategy to the next level. Let's get started. In this video, I'm going to break down the entire process of creating a comprehensive marketing plan. We'll cover everything from setting clear goals to analyzing your target audience, defining marketing strategies, and also the budget consideration. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to design your next marketing plan. But first, let me explain you why you should stick around. A well-crafted marketing plan is a make or break for your business. It's the strategic roadmap for achieving your goals, and it's essential to have one in place, especially in today's competitive landscape. So, step 1. You have to clarify your marketing goals. This is where we lay the groundwork for your marketing plan. It's not about rigid, smart goals. Those will come later on. It's about getting in your mind a clear outline of key intervention areas. Start by identifying the broad areas where your business needs marketing intervention. These can be increasing brand awareness, expanding into new markets, boosting online sales, or launching a new product line. Suppose, for example, you run an online fashion boutique. Your marketing teams for 2024 might include improving social media engagement or optimizing your website for better conversion rates, or, for example, explore new collaborations with influencers. These objectives should provide a strategic direction for your marketing efforts later on. For step 2, we need to create a leading theme. Think of these as the hook that captures the attention of the decision maker, a little bit like the YouTube thumbnail. Picture your marketing plan as a story, with your business as the key hero. A compelling theme can make all the difference in getting everyone on board. To create a leading theme, you should start by identifying a unique aspect of your business or a specific challenge that you want to address. For example, if you are in the tech industry, your theme could revolve around innovating for a sustainable future. But you should really craft one that is working for your specific needs. After you have your leading team ready, go straight into step 3, which is crafting a one-pager executive summary. This document should condense all the key messages into a concise format and should revolve around the story that you just crafted. It should include facts, figures, potential threats, opportunities, as well as key decisions that are needed during the session. And here is an example for you. Your executive summary might include a brief overview of your company performance last year, like a 15% revenue growth, but it could also touch upon market trends like the rise of e-commerce and the need to adapt to a new digital landscape, as well as the new shiny product that you are about to launch. This is the second critical moment, when the audience will have the chance to quickly get up to speed and start forming their own opinions. So please ensure that everything is crisp, clear, and concise. You really want to avoid any misunderstanding and lay down the foundations for a smooth sail for the rest of the plan. After you have the executive summary in place, it's time for step 4. This is where we start going into the details. You should dive into the microenvironment and the competitive analysis. It's really crucial to understand the market big pictures and your competitors, but remember, never sugarcoat. This will not help your company succeed. You should start by researching the industry trend, economic conditions, regulatory changes that might impact your business, and many other things. Take a hard look at your competitors' strengths and weaknesses and identify which are the areas where your business could stand out. So if you work in the hospitality industry, you might know that the rise of remote work has increased demand for unique travel experiences. However, your competitors have struggled to adapt quickly, hence presenting an opportunity for your business to excel in offering personalized travel packages. So you can really see how by looking at the data, we can uncover new opportunities for the business. After you have done this, move to step 5, which is understand your consumers and identify consumption trends and how your target personas look like. What are their interests, geographic locations, and consumption patterns? So let's look at an example. Start by conducting surveys. Analyze social media data. Study consumer behaviors. You should create a detailed customer persona that encompasses demographic, ethnographic, preferences, and especially pain points, because this is what unlock business opportunities. So for example, suppose you are in the fitness industry. You might discover that there's a growing interest in home workouts and wellness products among health-conscious consumers, especially in urban areas. Understanding this trend can really help you tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Marketing trends are your best allies because they help enrich your strategy, and the beauty is that most of these resources in this digital age are for free. So don't be shy to roll up your sleeve and dive into numbers. And before we continue with step 6, I love to hear from you. What are your marketing goals for 2024? Have you faced any challenge while creating your marketing plan? Share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below, and I'll personally respond to each one of you. So now it's time to move to step 6. Outline your marketing goal. They must be numeric and concrete, not fluffy or verbose. And remember, a successful marketing plan usually focuses on just a few objectives. I would say 3 or 4 at max. And here is you can define them. Use the SMART goal system, which means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, if you are in a software company, your goal could be to increase your free traffic sign-ups by 25% within the first quarter of 2024. Or let's say you run a bakery. Your goal could be to achieve a 15% increase in online cake orders and a 10% growth in store food traffic within the year. But remember, use the SMART system. Objectives which are not following the SMART system are not real objectives. After you have your objectives in place, it's time for step 7, which is define marketing strategies for each objective. This is where we get into the nitty-gritty of what to do, how to do it, and which channels to use. So let me show you some practical examples. When defining marketing strategies, a way could be to use the 4 P's of marketing, which are product, price, place, and promotion, and how these strategies align with your goals. For example, if you are in the e-commerce industry, your strategy for increasing online sales might include offering exclusive promotion or optimize your product listings, as well as expanding your social media presence. Or for example, if you operate a software company and your goal is to increase free trial signups, your strategies could involve creating informative video tutorials or running targeted Google Ads campaigns, or for example, offering a limited time discount for the new users. What is key is to be deliberate and precise in the strategies that you are planning. Fluffiness might impress your audience, but it will lead your business to no success. After you have defined the strategies, it's time for step 8, which is speak of key innovations. Most of the times, innovations are game changers, but they must align with your strategy. And it's never innovate for the sake of innovation. So really explore why they matter and how to plan for them. When considering a key innovation, focus on what sets you apart from competitors and why this innovation is strategically important. Your innovation should address customer needs or offer a unique value. Consider how it aligns with market trends and consumer demands. So, for example, if you are introducing a project management app, it could work because, for example, it streamlines the communication and meets the demand for remote work solutions. Think about how the innovation fits into your overall company strategy. Will it help you achieve your marketing goals or drive a long-term growth? So, hypothetically, let's assume you run a delivery service. Launching a contactless delivery service could strategically position your food delivery service as the leader in safety and convenience, which would be extremely relevant in this health-conscious period. And after you have the strategic reasons behind the innovation, you should also assess which are the resources required, including the budget, the talents, the technology, and the time needed. Make sure you have these resources in plan and you can secure them. For example, just consider if you want to launch a new skincare line of products. You would need resources for the product development, you would need resources for the marketing, for sales, for distribution, for staffing, and many others. So you should really never forget to plan for the resources which are needed. After you do the innovation, it's time for step 9, which is budget consideration. They are pivotal in your marketing plan. It's not just about the total amount, but especially about how you allocate the resources across your different channels. So let's dive into how to create a budget. When budgeting, it's essential to strike a balance between your overall budget and how you distribute it across the different media channels. So here's how you could approach it. For example, start determining your total marketing budget for the year. This is the pool of money that you have at your disposal. After this, consider the media mix, which is simply the combination of all the advertising channels that you will use. And this could include linear TV, social media, email marketing, content creation, SEO, and many more. But each channel must serve a specific purpose. It's key to highlight how much you plan to spend in each channel. And here you should be strategic in your allocation. You should focus more on the channels that aligns with your objectives and maximize your target audience reach. You should clearly invest in the channels that have the potential to deliver a higher return based on your goal. I've seen so many marketing plans failing at budget allocation that is not even funny. So be strategic on how you allocate your resources. And after you have done your resources allocation, it's time for the 10th and last step, which is assess the financial impact of your marketing strategies. How will your effort impact revenues and profit? It's really time to crunch some numbers and look at all the potential outcomes. And to evaluate the financial impact, you should project the expected results of each strategy on your revenues and profit. You should consider factors like increased sales, cost saving, customer retention, and everything that is relevant to your business. These will help you gauge the overall effectiveness of your plan. So if you run a tech startup and your marketing plan involves launching a new software, for example, you should estimate the additional revenue generated by the product, by the subscription, as well as the cost of development and marketing. This analysis will give you a clear picture of the planned financial impact. But be realistic and stress test your assumption. There is nothing worse than an inflated growth projection or a massive underforecast, because you see, these could create massive disruption either in your supply chain or force you to cut back on investment as the year goes by. So pay attention and especially be realistic. We have covered all the steps to create a rock-solid marketing plan for 2024. Now it's really your turn to take action. And by following this 10-step easy guide, you are putting the right foot forward in crafting a clear and especially executable marketing plan. But remember, your plan isn't set in stone. You should regularly review it and adjust if it is needed, because without this, you wouldn't stay on the right path to success. So thank you for joining me today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Your support really means the world to me. Ciao, see you guys.